the cigarette trees near the Big Rock Candy Mountain, near the lemonade springs where the bluebirds sing, on the Big Rock Candy Mountain. Oh, hey, you know, I was sitting here reading the newspaper and thinking, boy, it sure would be nice to have a cold one right now. And you know, necessity is the mother of invention. And that's why I came up with this new invention. And I call it the remote control cooler. So I can have a cold one brought right to me. And here it is. Delivers you a cold one. Right to you. You don't have to get up. You gotta love it. So remember, the next time you have a necessity, think of an invention. And if you can't impress them with intelligence, baffle them with bullshit.